problem. Okay. So we are starting. We were doing our like exercise, second exercise, I think so. And we have to go with the directly proportional questions. So what is directly proportional? Am I audible? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what are direct and inverse proportions? So today we are going to do a few questions related to direct proportions. So let's check it out. So direct proportions is if one quantity increases, the other quantity should also increase. If one quantity decreases, the other quantity should also decrease. So if there is one quantity, for example, if you work for 1 hour and you get paid 200 rupees. If you work for 2 hours, you get paid 400 rupees. If you work for 3 hours, you get paid 600 rupees. So as the number of hours increases, the number of payment amount of the payment also increases. So it means one quantity increases, the other also increases. So such a proportion is called direct proportion. Now, if one
Mm.
quantity decreases, for example, we have to construct one house, and to construct a house we need two persons. Two persons take 60 days to construct a house. If we add 2%, we got 4 persons. Now because number of persons, number of labor has increases, so number of days are going to be reduced. Now number of labor has increases more, so number of days are again going to be reduced. So as the number of labor increases, number of days decreases. So such a proportion is called indirect or inverse proportion. Okay. So we have two kinds of proportion. One is called direct proportion. One is called inverse proportion. In direct proportion, one quantity increases, the other also increases. One quantity decreases, the other also decreases. And in inverse proportion, one quantity increases but other decreases. One decreases but other increases. So we have already done the basic level of this exercise in our last lesson. Today we are going to start from question number 3. If z is directly proportional to x. So first of all, the first statement is saying z is directly proportional to x. So just focus on this. It means z should be directly proportional to x. We can mathematically write this statement as z is directly proportional to x. Okay. And whenever we have to finish this proportionality sign, we will get a constant k that is equal to kx. We will get this thing. So from the first line, we just choose a mathematical statement that is directly proportional to x, which is this, which can be written as that is equal to kx. Next line. And z is equal to 12. Now they are saying z is equal to 12. So in place of z, we can substitute 12, which is equal to when x is equal to 3. And in place of x, you can substitute 3. So what you will get? 12 by 3, which is equal to k, and k is equal to 4. Find the value of x. Now they're saying find the value of x. This is the main question. When z is equal to 12. So again, we will write the same statement. Z is equal to kx. Now find the value of x when z is equal to 18. So instead of z, substitute 18, which is equal to k. What is k? 4. X. What is x? We have to find x. So 18 by 4, which is equal to x. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 9 is 18, x would be equal to 9 by 2. Is this question clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So now I am giving you 1 minute or 2 minutes to do question number 4. It is same like the question number 3 we have already done.
Done.
Okay. So let's do mathematical translation. B is directly proportional to A. B is directly proportional to A, which can be written as B is equal to KA. I just have done mathematical translation of this line. B is equal to 3, substitute 3 instead of B, when A is equal to 18. So 3 by 18, which is equal to K, 3 times 6 is 18. I cannot hear you. Can you speak loudly?
Ma'am, it will be 1 upon 6.
1 upon 6. Very good. Okay. Now, what is next? Find the value of b. It means we have to write the statement again. B is equal to k. So, find the value of b when a is 24. So, what will be k over here?
1 upon 6.
And what is a?
24.
24. So, what we will get? B is equal to
24 upon
4.
6.
4. 4. The question says find the value of b and we have done this. Okay. For each of the following, y is directly proportional to x. Copy and complete the tables. Now, first of all, y is directly proportional to x. It means we have to just translate this thing. Y is directly proportional to x. Y is equal to kx. Now, in the table we are doing a part. In the table a part, you have to find the where you have two values. You have the values of y and x4. So you have to take that column in which you have both of the values y and x4. So now what is x over here? 24. And what is y over here? 6. So from this you can calculate value of k. What will be k?
1 over
1
4.
upon 4.
1 upon 4. So now because you get the value of k, you can do the calculations of this, and this. Okay. Let me do the number 1 for you. So you can write y is equal to k. What is y? You need to find this. In this first column, you need to find y. And what is k? K is 1 by 4. What is x? X is 4 over here. So you will get y is equal to 1.
1.
So answer of y would be 1. Good. Okay. Okay, for the second one, y is equal to kx. Okay, what should I write?
Y equals 1
Y
over
equals to
4
1 upon
multiplied
4
by 20.
multiplied by x equals to 20.
1 by
Answer
4
5.
multiplied by
It will y equals to 5.
y is equal to 5. Good. Okay. For this one, what should I do? Y is equal to kx. Okay, y is equal to what
9.
is 1 by 4? No.
And
X
36.
y equals to 9.
36.
36. So you get 36 is equal to x.
Yes.
Okay, the last one.
44.
44. Okay, y is equal to kx. So again we have y is 11 is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to x. So x would be is equal to 44. Very good. So it's easy for all of you. Now coming to the B part. Again from the B part, I am going to choose the column in which I am given both of the values x and y. So
Ma'am,
the
second
second
column
column is
3
going
and
to help me.
3.6.
Yes. So y is equal to kx. Now
K
the
is equal
value
to
of x. Yes, yes.
K is equal to 1.2 होगा फिर
3.6 is equal to k3. 3.6 is equal to y3 is equal to k. So you get 30. So you will get 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 by 5. 5 6 is 30, 6 5 is 36, 6 is 36 is 6 by 5 will be the answer, right? Okay. Now the number 1 part. Y is equal to kx. Now y is equal to 6 by 5 multiplied by 2. So y is equal to 12 by 5. Y is equal to kx. Second is done. Third one. So y is equal to 6 by 5 multiplied by 5.5, which can be written as 10. So 5 1s are 5, 5 11s are 55, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 33 by 5. Okay. Then we have also you can convert them in the decimal because they have also given us in the decimal. Okay, y is equal to kx. So you have y is 9.6. 6 by 5x. So you can write 9.6 into 5 by 6, which is equal to x. So which would be, what will be the answer for this? 9.6 multiplied by 5 by 6.
8.
8. Are you all calculating? 8. 5.5 it was.
No,
later.
ma'am, I'm not.
Why? Now you should calculate the last one.
Okay.
Calculate this one, 11.4.
Ma'am, x equals to 2.5.
X equal to 9.5. 7.5.
9.5.
9.5. Okay. So we have x equal to 9. Okay, we are done with this question. Question number 6, we're going to come on. Okay, if y is directly proportional to x, y is directly proportional to x. We are going to translate this into mathematically. Y is directly proportional to x, which means y is equal to kx. Y is equal to 20, which is equal to k,
4.
when x is equal to 5. So k is equal to 4. Everything clear up till now?
Yes.
We just do the mathematical translation and we easily get k is equal to 4. Now number 1. Find an equation connecting x and y. So x and y will be connected. Y is equal to 4x. Is this clear? How to connect the equation of x and y? We just need to write y is equal to k. This is the equation. We just need to write it again. And instead of k, I'm going to put 4. So I will get y is equal to 4x. All right for everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Asif?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next one is draw the graph of y against x. So for this, we need a few values. So we will make a small table, x, y. So if the x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can take a few values for x yourself. And what will be the value of y? If x is 0, what will be y? 4 times 0?
Ma'am, 4 times 0
0.
is 4. 0.
If x is 1, what will be y?
5.
5?
No, ma'am. 4. Ma'am, it will be 4.
4. 4 and 1. 4 into 1. 4 times 1 is 4. If x is 2, what will be y?
X.
8. You are not going to
8.
add them. Multiply them. Who is
8.
saying 6? 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. If x is 3, what will be y?
12,
If x is 4, what will be y?
16,
Yes, others. Alia, are you getting it?
yes,
4 times 4 will be 16. Yes, Ansif, are you getting it? Asif, sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you know how we make this table x and y. So now we just need to plot this table. Okay. So x is 0, y is also 0. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now see how I'm going to plot this table. When x is 1, so here x is 1, x is 2, x is 3, and x is 4. So now x is 1, from here we can write 4, 8, 12, 16. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So when x is 1, y is 4. So this will be the point. When x is 2, y is 8. So this will be the point. When x is 3, y is 12. So this will be the point. When x is 4, y is 16. So this will be the point. So we can match all the points and we will get a straight line. Do you all
Yes.
get how did I make the graph?
Yes.
Yes.
The next question, I will also try to take one or two negative values to make sure you understand the negative values.
Hmm.
Okay. We did question number 6. Okay, now we will do 7. Okay, question number 7. If z is directly proportional to y, so just do the mathematical translation. Z is directly proportional to y, which can be written as z is equal to ky. All clear? Z is
Yes,
equal to
ma'am.
48 is equal to k. Y is equal to 6. So 48 by 6 is equal to k. So k will be
8.
equal to
8.
8.
8, ma'am.
8. So k is equal to 8. Now part number 1. Find an equation connecting y and z. So z is equal to ky, which can be connected at z is equal to 8y. So this is the
Hmm.
equation connecting z and y. Z is equal to 8 times of y. So this means this is the connection between z and y. Now draw the graph of z against y. So now to draw the graph, first of all, you have to make a table
Y over Z.
y and z. Now you will take a few values of y yourself and they will give you the answer for a few values of z. So let's take a few values. For example, we can also take negative values, not necessarily positive. Let's start from -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all the values of y. Now to substitute these values of y in this equation, you will get the values of z. Do it on your notebooks first. Complete this table on your notebook. I'm giving you 2 minutes.
Done.
Have you all done?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So what
Yes, ma'am.
happens? Now we will do. Now you have to do it with me on the screen. So when y is -2, what will be z?
-16.
Minus. We're gonna multiply it with 8.
So you will get -16. When y is -1, what you will get?
-8.
Minus 8.
When y is 0.
0.
0.
When y is 1.
8.
8.
When y is 2.
16.
16.
When y is 3.
24.
24.
When y is 4. Yes,
32.
Alia?
32.
Are you getting it, Alia?
Yes.
Keep participating, okay? Okay, so we have completed the table. Now all what is left is the graph. Now we know our graph has two axes. One is called the x-axis and one is called the y-axis. So for the two axes, what we're going to do, first of all, we will plot this y. Because, okay, now we have the variables y and z. So we can write y-axis and z-axis. So y would be, okay, now plotting them, -1, -2. I think I should take the next page to plot the graph. Okay. Now we have a lot of space. Okay, so we have -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is y-axis and this is z-axis. So now coming to the table values. The table values are when it's -2. So now you're going to tell me the table values. Yes. We can also write the y values. It is going to 32. So we can take the difference of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. -4, -8, -12. Okay, so when y is -2, what will be the value of z?
-16.
Look at your tables. You have made the tables on your notebook as well. Okay, what is z? When y is -2, what is z?
-16.
-16.
-16. Okay, so I'm going to put the point over here. When y is -1, what is z?
A -8.
-8.
-8. And when y is 0, z is also 0. Okay, when y is 1, what is z?
8.
8.
8.
So 1 from this axis and 8 from this axis, so the point is over here. When y is 2, what is z?
16.
16.
This is the point. When y is 3, what is z?
24.
24.
24. When y is 4, what is z?
32.
20.
22. So you can see how beautifully we can also plot the negative numbers. Nothing will happen, only the graph is going to go in the third quadrant and you will get the straight line. This is a straight line, okay? I'm drawing by hand, so it might not look straight, but it is actually a straight line. All clear up till now?
Yes.
All clear? What happens if you take negative numbers?
Yes.
Yes, if there is any confusion, Daniel, you can ask if Alia, if you have any confusions, you can ask.
No confusion.
No.
Okay. Okay, Daniel, the book is open in front of you.
Yes.
Okay, because there some numbers are missing in these questions, so you have to tell me.
Okay.
Okay, the net force F newtons needed to push a block along a horizontal surface is directly proportional to mass m kg of the block when m is equal to what?
5. 5.
M is equal to 5, F is equal to 49. So find the equation connecting F and M. So now they are saying the net force F newtons needed to push a block along a horizontal surface. Now F is directly proportional to mass M. So it means we
F
can write
equals
mathematically
km.
F is directly proportional to M. F is equal to Km. Now they have given M is equal to 5 and F is equal to 49. So what will be the value of K?
9.8.
9.8.
8.
Okay. So we got this. Now find an equation connecting. Sorry. What will be the connection of the equation? F is equal to
F is equal to
9.8
9.8 m.
into M. All clear to everyone?
Yes.
This was a big statement,
Yes.
but there is nothing very big here. We just need to find out F is directly proportional to M. We have the values of M and F. We can just substitute him and we find the equation F connecting to M. Okay, so we are done with number 1 part. Now number 2 part. Find the value of F when M is equal to 14. Okay, how we are going to do this part?
9.8 into 14.
F is equal to 9.8 into M. So we know we have to find F, which is equal to 9.8. And what is M? M is 14. So can you tell me the value of F?
137.2.
137.2. Okay, part 3. Yes, Asif, you're going to do part 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Calculate the value of m when f is equal to 215.6. What should I write?
Ma'am, we will write when f is ma'am f equals to 9.8 multiplied by n.
Your voice is very low. Speak loudly.
Yes, ma'am. F
Okay.
will be, ma'am, 215.6 equals to
Okay.
9.8 and
Okay. So now you're going to divide them.
yes,
Okay. So
ma'am.
what you will get? What will be m?
2 minutes, ma'am.
What will be m now?
20.
22.
22. Okay. So now who is going to tell me how I'm going to draw the graph of f against m?
M over F equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The values are there.
We have to make the table
Hmm.
m and f like this. Okay. Which equation we are going to use for the graph? This equation, f connecting m.
Equals to 9.10. 9.8.
Okay. Now, what are we going to take the values of m? If m is 0, if m is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say we take these values. So what will happen? F would be 0, f would be 9.8. Okay, what will be f if m is equal to 2?
19.6.
When m is equal to 3?
19.6.
29.4.
9.4.
29.4.
Yes.
Okay. When m is equal to 4?
39.2.
When m is equal
39.2.
to 39.2. Okay. So now let's make a graph. So we have here, m on the horizontal axis and f on the vertical. Okay. So when m is 0, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And from here we have 0, we can put 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So when m is 1, it's 9.8, which is less than 10. When it's 2, it's 19.6, which is less than 20. When it's 3, it's 29.4, which is less than 30. And 10 less than 40. So you can see you get a straight line. If you don't take negative numbers, you don't get any graph on the negative number line. But if you take negative numbers, it is just going to extend like this in the negative part. Okay? All clear to everyone? Have any questions, you can just ask me over here.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to question number 9. The pressure P pascals of a gas in a container is directly proportional to its temperature T Kelvin. Now pressure T, they're saying that pressure P is directly proportional to the temperature T. So it means P is directly proportional to T, which means P is equal to KT. Now when T is equal to 10, P is equal to 25. So what will be the value of K? Yes, students.
2.5.
2.5.
2.5. This was easy and clear to everyone. Okay, now part number 1. Find an equation connecting P and T. So
P
P should be
equals
equal
to
to
P
0.5
equals
into
2.5
T.
equals to 2.5
T.
Very good.
ET.
I really love when all of you keep on answering me. Find the value of P when T is equal to 24. So we will again make a train connecting P and T. So find the value of P. What is value of K? 22.5 and T is 24. Okay, calculate this please.
60.
16. Okay,
Yes, it
third.
will be 60.
Okay, for the calculations, I'm just trusting you people. I'm not calculating myself.
60.
Okay, so hope you're giving me correct answers.
0,
Okay, calculate the value of T when P is 12. So P is
Ma'am,
equal to
2.5
K.
4.8.
multiplied by 24 equals
4.8.
60.
Okay, what is T?
4.8.
4.8.
Ma'am,
Okay, the last question. Yes, yes, yes.
question number 9 to second part, P equals to 60. 60.
0, 60. It's not 16.
What is this? 0, 16.
6, 0, 60, not 16.
60.
0, 16 means.
Ma'am, 60.
Acha, 60. Okay. Okay, draw the graph of P against T. Fourth part.
P over P, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, now we are going to make a table again. So for P and T. Okay, so where is the connection? This is connecting. P is connecting to Q 2.53, this red one. So we are going to use this equation. Okay, when T is 0, P is going to be 0. When T is 1, P is going to be 2.5. Okay, when T is 2, what will be P?
5.
3.
7.5.
10.
4.
7.5, 10.
10.
10. Very good. So now very easy to plot the graph. Just makes the horizontal and vertical axis. Horizontal would be T over here. Vertical will be P over here. So 0 is 0. For 1, okay, 2, 3, and 4. From here, we can do like this 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10. So for 1, it's going to be 2.5. For 2, it's going to be 5. 3, it's going to be 7.5. And 4, it's going to be 10. So the direct graphs are always going to give you a straight line graph. So you can get an MCQs that the direct proportions will always give you a straight line graph. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the last question, it is question number 10. The amount of voltage V volts needed to, what is this? A fixed amount of current through a wire is directly proportional to resistance R ohms when R is equal to what?
R is equal to 6.
R is equal to 6, V is equal to 9. Okay. So amount voltage V is directly proportional to resistance R. So
9
V is directly
divided by
proportional
6.
to resistance R. It means V is equal to KR. So what is R? R is equal to 6 when V is equal to 9. So what will be K? 9 by 6.
1.5.
1.5.
5.
So you get K 1.5. So question number 1 is connecting V and R. So V is equal
V
to
is equal to
1.5.
1 over
V
5.
equals to 1.5 R.
Question number 2 is find V when R is equal to 15.
22.5.
4.5.
22.5. Question number 3. Calculate R when V is equal to 15.
10.
10. Ma'am, 10.
10. Okay. And the last question is draw the graph of V against R. So again, we will make a
R over V,
small table.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So using this equation, this red one. Okay. So 1.5 into 0, 1.5. For 2, what will be the answer?
3.
3.
For 3,
4.5.
4.5?
6. Yes.
Yes.
For
Miss,
4?
6 is 6. 4 is 6.
मिस
Yes.
वो जो v over r लिखा है आपने टेबल में v की जगह r नहीं होना था
Yes, B की जगह R होना. See, you people are not taking it. R should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and V would be the values of this. See, ये जो हमारा internal होता है ना, that is multiplying with the element, that is dependent, वो हम लोग लेते हैं खुद से. And the other one we will get after putting the values of R. So obviously we will substitute the values of R, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so we will get the values of V. Okay.
अब
So
inverse
we have
proportion
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6. So 0, 1 is 1.5, 2 is 3, 3 is 4.5, and 4 is 6. So you get a straight line graph. All clear up till now? We're done with this exercise.
yes
Yes.
We are done with all of the questions of direct proportional exercise. I think this is the second exercise of the structure. So if you have
Yes,
any
ma'am.
question, we will be joining the meeting again in just 2 minutes. So you can just go through like this. If you have any question, any problem in any question, just let me know so I can just explain you right now. Okay? After we will join the new meeting, we'll start the new exercise, inshallah.
No, ma'am. There's no questions.
Hello students, are you all back? Okay. So students, ये जो आपको 1-2 मिनट की ब्रेक रहती है ना आफ्टर 40 मिनट्स, मस्ट टेक अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर इन दिस ब्रेक.
Hello.
Yes, hello. What happens? Okay. So I was saying to you, you must take a glass of water so that you can get fresh again for the next lesson. Number 1. Number 2, जो भी हम क्वेश्चंस कर रहे होते हैं क्लास में, आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट ये नहीं है that you have to write down all the questions. Not important, because class में we need to do a bit fastly. So class में just try to move with the class, try to answer the questions, do the rough working. It's all right. Okay. It's not
Yes, ma'am.
necessary to write each and every question or write each and every part. It's not necessary. Just do the rough working, just answer the questions, keep moving with the class. Try to do all your focus on understanding the questions that what I am writing, each and every step, so that you can understand that. Okay. So क्लास में आपका सारा फोकस अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे होगा, राइटिंग पे नहीं होगा. ठीक है. और जब क्लास एंड होगी, आई विल सेंड यू द रिकॉर्डिंग, और ये जो पीडीएफ मैंने पूरा बनाया, आई विल सेंड यू ऑल दिस पीडीएफ. ठीक है. So what we're going to do, we're going to open your book. You're not going to check the recording. You're not going to check the PDF. First of all, open the book. First exercise पे you go to the exercise 1B. So today we completed 1B and we're going to start 1C. So आप exercise पे जाओ, read question number 1, start solving in your notebook. If you find any problem, then you can go to the PDF or the recording and check कि मैं इसको किस तरह से solve कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ. If you don't get any problem, just keep on solving. तो जिस क्वेश्चन पे आपको प्रॉब्लम आए, वहां पे आपने जाके रिकॉर्डिंग पे या फिर अपने पीडीएफ पे जाके देखना है और अपने नोट्स को कंप्लीट करना है. So during class, don't try to make the notes and don't try to keep focus on writing. Just focus on understanding each and every step that I am speaking. Okay. And after the class is done, then आपने बैठना है पूरा 1-1.5 घंटा आपको लगेगा एक क्लास की नोट्स को कंप्लीट करने में. So there you have to do question by question and complete the notes. So this is the strategy which you have to follow, and inshallah by following this strategy, आपको ये सब inshallah at the end of the book you will not have any problem कि आपको कुछ भूल रहा है या आपको कुछ आता नहीं है. ओके. और कोशिश करें कि आपके पास एक ही रजिस्टर हो जिसपे आप सिर्फ D3 का काम करें, कोई और D का काम ना करें या किसी और सब्जेक्ट का भी काम ना करें. उससे होगा यू हैव अ वेरी स्मूथ नोट्स. स्मूथ नोट्स होने से भी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी लर्निंग हो जाती है. ठीक है. सो ट्राई कि आपके पास एक ही नोटबुक हो या एक ही बिग रजिस्टर हो जिसपे कीप ऑन डूइंग ऑल ऑफ द लेक्चर्स ऑफ द D3 मैथ्स. उसी पे आप लेक्चर नोट करें और उसी के बाद लेक्चर कंप्लीट होने के बाद आप अपने नोट्स बनाएं. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर भी उसी पे नोट करें और उसी पे लेक्चर कंप्लीट होने के बाद अपने नोट्स कंप्लीट करें. So this will also help you to build up the all of the sequence in the book. So this will also help you to learn good. ठीक है. So अब आप लोगों ने ये must करना है that after the lesson you have to do each and every question by yourself. Just read the question and do it by yourself without checking the solutions, without checking the notes in the recordings. जहाँ प्रॉब्लम आएगी वहां यू हैव टू चेक इट. सो दिस विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट ऑफ. ठीक है, कभी कभी आपको क्लास के बाद ऐसे लगेगा आपको सब कुछ आता है एंड आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट ऐसा नहीं होता. जब आप करेंगे, जब मैथ्स जो होता है ना वो करने से आता है. आपको लगता है कि आपको आ रहा है लेकिन आपको वो एक्चुअली में आता नहीं होता. जब आप करने बैठते हैं तो आपको बहुत सारी चीजों पे कंफ्यूजन आती है और आपको उसको दोबारा से देखना पड़ता है. सो यू मस्ट हैव टू डू इट. ठीक है, ओके. तो अब हम लोग जो है ना वो स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, बिकॉज वी हैव अ फ्यू मिनट्स वी कैन स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. अदरवाइज मैंने प्लान किया था दैट वी विल स्टार्ट इट टुमारो, बट बिकॉज माशाल्लाह यू पीपल आर फास्ट, सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड इट ऑन टाइम. ओके, सो मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिया व्हाट आर इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शंस. So inverse proportion is when one quantity increases, other decreases, or when one decreases, the other increases. So this is called the inverse proportion. So we can just start the inverse proportion thing today. And in inverse proportion will be opposite to the direct proportion, but questions almost सारे वैसे ही होंगे. There will be a bit opposite thing. Okay, so methodology we are going to follow the same methodology. If x is inversely proportional to y, it means we are going to translate this expression in a mathematically. X is inversely proportional to y. So for directly proportional हम क्या लिखते थे? X is directly proportional to y in this way. For inversely proportional we will write 1 over y. All okay? So x is equal to k by y. Clear है यहाँ तक सबको? Now when x is equal to 40 and y is equal to 5, let's substitute. X is 40, k, y is 5. So what we will get the value of k?
200.
200. Okay. Number 1. Find the value of x when y is equal to 24. So x is equal to k by y. Now x is equal to what is k? 200. What is y? 25. So tell me what will be the value of x?
8.
Ma'am, 8.
8. Very good. Okay, number 2. So you can see the methodology is same. Again we get write an equation connecting x and y. So हम यही वाली equation लेंगे. Just put the value of k here. X is equal to what is k? 200
200
by
or
y. So we can write xy is equal to 200 or x is equal to 200 by y. So this is the equation connecting x and y. Okay. So then find the value of y when x is equal to 400. So we
400.
need a few space to do the third part. Okay. So x is equal to 200 by y. So now they are saying find y when x is equal to 400. X is equal to 400. Okay. So 400 is equal to 200 by y. So y is equal to 200 by 400. So 2 times 1 is 20. All clear up till now?
Yes.
Even this won't be that difficult. Okay. So Q is inversely proportional to P. So how can I write it?
Q equals to
Q
K
x 1
upon
upon
P.
y. Q x 1 upon y.
Q is inversely proportional to P,
1
not
upon
Y.
y.
1 upon P. Q is inversely proportional to P,
Yes.
not Y, na? So K by P. Okay.
Q
Now P
equals to
is
k
0.
upon p.
So K is 0.25. P is 2. So please tell me what is K?
It will be
0.5.
0.25 multiplied by 2. It will be 0.5.
0.5. Okay. So now express Q in terms of P. So Q would be equal to 0.5 by P. Number 2. Find the value of Q when P is 5. What will be the value of Q?
Ma'am, it will be 0.2 minutes, ma'am.
0.2 or 0.1?
0.1.
0.1.
Okay. Third part. Calculate the value of P when Q is 0.2.
0.2. Then it will be 5.2 and 5 divided by 2.5.
All of you can keep doing the working.
2.5.
Okay. 100 men working 8 hours a day can complete a job in 35 days. Okay, so these are the questions which mostly make problem for students. 100 men. So the first quantity is men. 8 hours. The second quantity is hours. A day can complete a job in 35 days. Okay. So 100 men working 8 hours a day can complete a job in 35 days. How many men should be employed? Come to question number 4 first. Okay, I think you can do this question yourself. I'm giving you 1 minute to do this question. Question number 4. Class, I'm giving you 1 minute to do question number 4.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the value of k equals to 35.
Okay, Z is inversely proportional to X. Means Z is equal to K by X. So means Z is equal to 5, which is equal to K when X is equal to 7. So K is equal to 7 into 5 is 35. Now find the value of X when Z is equal to 70. So Z is equal to 70, which is equal to 35 by X. So X is equal to
0.5.
35 by 70, which is equal to 0.5.
0.5.
Okay. Now again, I'm giving you 2 minutes to do question number 5.
Ma'am, k equals to 7. And then
So P is inversely proportional to A.
1.47.
B is equal to K by A.
5.
B is equal to 3.5 when A is equal to 2. So what will be the value of K?
7.
7.
7. Find the value of B when A is equal to
5.
1.4.
5.
5.
So
B
B is
equals
equal
to
to
5.
okay. D is equal to 1.4 by 7. So it would be 5. Will it be 5?
No, ma'am, 2 minutes. It will be 14.
A is I'm not writing it correctly. K is 7 and A is 1.4.
Yes.
So you get like this.
T will equals to 0.2.
7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 10 is 70, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 5. Yes, so you're correct. So B is equal to 5. Okay. Question number 6, you people can do it easily. So from question number 6, part A, we are going to take a column which has both of the answers. Y is inversely proportional to X. So Y is inversely proportional to X. Y is equal to 1 K by X. Okay, so this column will work for us. Y is 4, which is equal to K by 3. So K is equal to 12.
Equals to 12.
Okay. So now you can find all of the other values. Okay. Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Find the values and tell me.
Ma'am, the first value of x will be 1.5, and the last value of x will be
What will come over here? Everyone.
ma'am, where? Ma'am, the first value of x will be 1.5.
Okay. Here, value of y.
नहीं में 0.5 आता है पहले वाले
यहाँ
में
0.
पहले वाले में
Now
0
यहाँ.
आता है
So y is equal to k by x. Y is 24, which is equal to 12 by x. So x is equal to 12 by 24, which is 0.5, not 1.5. This is 0.5. Okay. Now tell me for this one.
2
6.
6
All of you agree on 6?
yes
Yes. Okay. This one.
4.8
6 and 4.8.
Okay. The last one. Yes, Alia, you're not doing it? Doing
8
8.
yes
Do you all agree on 8?
2 minutes, ma'am.
8
Ma'am, it's 18.
हाँ है
Yes, ma'am, it is 8.
Okay. Come to the B part now. For the B part, we got this one, 4 and 9. So we can write y is equal to k by x. So 9 is equal to k by 4. So k is equal to 30.
12
Now
36
complete the table fastly. Okay. Number 1.
12
Number 3.
6 4 4.5
Next. Number 4.
14.4
Last one.
1.44
1.44.
44
Okay. Okay, class, you can cross check these calculations later.